I first started out with my associates in electrical studies for trades, which would get you to be an electrician. And I was really interested in all the technology, all the electrical field and that. But I realized that there's even more opportunities out there, and we have a great utility tech program here. So I thought maybe I would enjoy climbing, doing the outdoor aspect of it. So then I went that avenue.
Alpena Community College has a utility technology area. We have 3 different certificate types: a 1-year utility technician certificate, an advanced utility technician certificate, and then we have an associate in applied science or 2-year degree.
I think they were a great match for me because I'm really a hands-on learner, and those classes were so hands-on. You got to learn a lot while you're doing it.
I feel like without the hands-on, it's just like a normal school. Just go to class and then, you're done. But the hands-on part really helps.
We rely on our industry partners to serve on our advisory committee. The advisory committee gives us input on the classes and the programs that we teach.
What's great about Consumers Energy is we partner with 5 community colleges around the state to offer this pre-apprenticeship line work training. We sat down with each of these colleges as well as our union and our instructors, and we said, what do we want these students to bring to the table?
Well, I think they're well suited for employment because they've learned a lot of the skills necessary to be productive from day one. They've got to operate the same types of equipment that they're going to be using out in industry.
I feel like the preparation we have throughout the whole school year will be more than prepared for any offer.
Students who go through these programs make great employees because from the very beginning, their very first day of their training, there's full transparency in terms of what we're looking for. Because we sat down at the table with these schools to say, here's what we need, that's what they're producing, and that's what they're drilling into these students from day one.
I knew I didn't want to sit in like a office all day or just be like stuck in one spot. And with this, I'm able to travel or work outside, hands-on, things like that, work in a team.
Our 1-year program, that could get you your foot in the door within a utility company. And once you have your foot in the door in a utility company, then the education that you have can be a stepping stone. These are high-wage jobs in the power and energy industries. We have at least 3 of the top 10 paying blue-collar jobs in the United States are within that field.
We are Michigan's largest combination utility, meaning natural gas and electric, and we employ about 8,500 people around the state. About 800 of those are line workers.
My associates from Utility Tech program supports me in my job every single day. It supported me in my job starting at Consumers to where I'm at now.